Okay, this time we're going to be digging a fence post hole. Alright, those are the two shovels you're going to need. You need a sharpshooter, and then you need a post hole digger. Post hole digger should be between, well, for pipe it can be 6 inches. For wood post it needs to be at least 8 inches round, give or take. At the corner of the post, in other words, you're not 4 inches anymore, or 3.5, you're around 5 inches. And you need at least 2 inches of concrete, even at the corners, or else what'll happen, it'll crack, and then your post will be loose. But in any case, what we normally do, we normally start off with the sharpshooter. And here again, the ground is hard. And one thing, you don't want to go too far in the ground, about half the length of the shovel, because if you go too far and you try to pull that over, you're going to break your handle. This is why you need the good work shoes, because you're only pushing down on a really small area right there. If you had tennis shoes on, that would hurt, especially if you're on the edge of it. This is where we need a sharpshooter. Cut that root. Yeah, that's one of the smaller ones. And now we go back to the sharpshooter. Little trick I learned years ago. We'll get a little water and throw in there now. We don't pour much in there. You just want about an inch or 2 inches above from where you finish digging. And now what you do is you either go drink a beer or start another hole somewhere. This would have loosened that dirt up here in about 5 minutes. And you can see the water's gone. One thing I didn't show you, when you get ready to empty this thing, sometimes that mud sticks to the inside of this post hole digger.